Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bw'omugusi. Mwancho Amayia Chinsa Ikomi chabana magoroba enga kingi yangu kuarigania semesa ya mangana maja jigo komanya ngana na kuariganirie asenjira yobwenge biamano gendera gutobwati agwetera asenjira ya mitandao Ndizi TV News ensemo ya Facebook, Ndizi TV News ensemo ya YouTube kuiranande asegeke kekirebusyo egeren komanya ngana ya gose na kuariganirie. Kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita na ndina kualeganirie kero chingaki gosi chingaki omusangirekano bwiki magia UDM okorekana asensemo ya ATC imeyo muchibo songo nigo bono abarwanereria ao wetera sekia mekyo boigo abarai ao baikirana asensemeyo omusangirekano orau no mugavana bwe county ya Kisii James Ongwae chingaki echo nigo Ongwae aralia buna chi nominations nigo chigo chagokoreka asenjira yobwasyoku nenjira yoboene abwasabulia abarwanereria kwenda asichinsemo cha mashinani na korelia eganga yabo yokuligia birogo ao asobocholi boguchia gokoreka.
Things like those who believe that person at your own head, because I'm still the governor of this county and I believe I'm not standing for any position. Therefore, I'm patron. In a broad sense, I will ensure that we have free and fair elections and that whoever is supposed to get that ticket will get. I'm a strong member of the party. I can tell you that there isn't anybody from Kisii here who will free and fair. Because we will be there, Tony will be there, we will be watching. Nobody will.
Omorai bwenso muske Uhuru Kenyatta litukule igoro nigaru etogo chika bunabana bodaboda bonsi banyareko baba gukorerwa ubunyabi na kubwatwa magega ye video kwenda se mitandao abwaso musubati omarorekana gakunererirwa amoneke gose neki umbeke mokia bana bodaboda imeyo mucho Nairobi bono nigabamenyi amona bana bodaboda kurwase county ya Nyamira barule birengerero byabo igoro yenganeyo
ya extend ya yabete kuru Nairobi twanyaigule ne president yakwa nitegocha lakini na intuesa tole mwanya abantu ntuigwete bobe
amajiko aro amajiko namaya tutabete na amajiko ntigo nturakore gas otatiga egento kereki yankelinga serikali amajiko kiya tubekeire tetwarasia batoire
abaibuli nigo base miwe kobera na kulinda n'abana babo chinga kicheru sentambe yentude ya abayigo base miwe tibabo se gutuma abana babo guchia sabairi ari baranyare korora chimbe
Kuruku Gladys Magoma Ondo mwalimu lakini currently ngoko legacy na Kisii County Government ni sub county director wa ICD internet sub county ya Kitutu Chache South Mosocho ngone nyasaye ngambi ya mona siri bagali ya lero na se team ya Ndizi TV ko ngaligani nyare ko rwa basemi goro ya abana baito na usigetara muna Bible na kitogwente kulinda abana baito abaibuli ntubate jukumene yo kulinda abana ikiara buna bunya sare atoira sama bokaito abana buno bagocha asichinka baibuli titorosa usira abana baito torosa gosemia abana baito turi chinga kumanya abana baito ngai bakobera abasani babana baito mbarabi nande mbintu kibagochi bakora totigembuyeri yuko nyagusagalia abana gochi asabairi n'abasani n'abachikobera n'abarabu gusachikobera n'abana bo muiriyo biyo muibori omiya amanya n'abana bawo umanye embwa yabo ekeraga abana bo muiriyo biyo muibori omiya amanya n'abana bawo umanye embwa yabo ekeraga amochano rekanire koromoke kwanyara kwao kumukonya mapema ekeruru musani obene bo mwana o
Oyo no director w'ekiombe kia ECD ase kaunti ya Kisii omusubati Gladys Magoma chinga kechecho nigo Magoma asemiria baiboli gotaliera abana babo chira chitanyareko bachigo ikerana bunekero baranyora magisigete asamate mwabo banyareko babako bakorera ebinto ao na goteba goika baiboli baraganya mate mwasoke egere bamanya kwa abana babo ebiegwa
class itukura barabata mitukulia lero nyasaba konye baikasichinka bya tukulia rone tukulia mambi nabo tukwaliganiri abana ba form byo jakama temna barabu wiki yainse nyasaba konye abaseseni ababotero abakura matemo abo buya nekera abana abakira senka bayibuli ntoma tina chipigipigi cyakire ntotiga abana baitu basoesa buye chipigipigi baso achipara abandi bache baumia batoretera bakongo nyasa ko te abana baitu na matemo agosoka okonyora magisi amaya ninkoire sabali ninkoire Mombasa mate matasoga tibia bona udisappoint yo mwana kanyama chibara soka litangani kanya saa useniri ote abana ngambia mono twatanya saa tokonye okoira magisi amaya bona tigatoga ntwikaransega tuli noane ndagera amasubya tokoka sobwamo asokanya saa ngambia mono
Ekiombe kia balimi bemesi amona bakoli miremo be factory ya Mumias Sugar Company wano nigo batwarege ikaro bene iguru yemerobelio era chikobekwa bene elikobokia e factory yo bagokwana na balikia mangana wetera somuliki wekiombe kyo aselieta Richard Ogendo nigate babuna abana siasa wano babeke siasa kando na tibaba isakoburukania ase factory yo abwase basabire emerobelio bene kobekwa elikobokia factory yo na kuirania abantu basiretie amabaga yemeremo asensemeyo na gokonya abalemi bemesie koira emesie yabo asensemeyo.
Money. Farmers are owed money, workers are owed money. We are very annoyed when politicians go on record and trivialize what we are owed. In fact, let me tell you for free, how can a politician who does not know how somebody was employed in Mumias Sugar come here and say, vacate? These are human beings. They are here by right because they are employees of this company. And that must be respected. We are very, very annoyed.
Sisi wakulima tunasikia mambo mingi kiongelewa, lakini hata na wengine walileta hapa miwa zao pato tuko na madeni na bado hawajaelezwa ni njia gani ambayo watapata pesa zao ambazo Mumias Sugar iko nazo kama moja ya wadeni wa Mumias Sugar. Alafu vile vile hatujui ni kama yule mwekezaji ambaye amekuja ajaita wakulima ya kwamba waelimishe njia ambayo watatumia kudevelop miwa ili ya kwamba sisi ambao bado tuko na miwa kwa mashamba tujue njia ambayo tutatumia tukileta miwa zetu.
Mugavana we kaunti ya Kilifi Amason Kingi litukole igoro niga kirete kiama kia giapa ekoko asensemeyo ya Kilifi chinga kicho musangerekano bwoko chengera litukole abasubati eliria koregeta wigoro ase kaunti yo Kingi nigo bono aganetia abasubati kwa ewa masikani na kwa ewesiko anene mono banyareko bagwanchwa abwe selitukole igoro nigo barai ao baikiranete ase kaunti yo ase omusangerekano yo gatiabo no musubati wasomo senator bene omusubati Christine Zawadi.
Charged with the responsibility of ensuring gender equality and inclusion of especially the special interest groups who include the women, children, persons with disability, older members of society, minority and marginalized groups in development. We shall continue to advocate for the full inclusion of women and other SIGs in climate change decisions, programs and actions for sustainable tomorrow.
Mwanzo tunataka kulani vikali Na pili, kuambia kina mama tuwe macho, ili mambo kama haya yanapotendeka kule mashinani tupige simu. Leo hii serikali ya county ina namba ya direct toll free ambao hutozi chochote. Ukiona dhuluma ya mtoto wako wa kisichana, ukiona mama anadhulumiwa, kwa haraka piga ile simu na utapata usaidizi.
Mugavana Meru Kiraitu Murungi nigaswete asobomo bwa Azimio la Umoja lituko ligoro. Kiraitu niganyartkobaga kumwakira ekoko na komwa amaskani omuraiwe kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga asatebete gwetera obwamo bwa Azimio la Umoja na bubuka uranyare kubabogo konya ba Kenya kimagenderero nigo baigo asabeta bamenyi be county yo komwa magoro na kumusira Odinga.
Kapu yake wakati ikihesabiwa kura zetu zionekane huko ikiwa mingi, si ndio? You cannot claim a part of a government if you have not contributed to that government. So we shall do our best to make sure that our contribution is round and it is hand and it is clear. We have looked at all the candidates, and the only candidate who has been consistent that this resources should be increased, and the one who was the champion when devolution was being created is no other than Raila Amolo Odinga. If there's a president who is going to lift the youth of this country, it is no other than Raila Amolo Odinga. If there's a person who is going to lift the welfare of the women in this country, it is Raila Amolo. Na hata walemavu makarino mnajuana kweli, walemavu wanaweza kusaulika makarina akiwaongoza.
Marugi bomurai bwense Margaret Kenyatta litukuligoro nigairaniritie abasubati bali bagendete kwerwa na kubiko mukia asemirimo yabo ya kiralituko abwasaba igakirete mbia mono ebyombe biri bigendererete gusira abasubati elyo kwegendereria nigaya kwaneta ya imeyensemo ya Lower Kabete asensemo ya Kenya School of Government imeyo mocho Nairobi ichinga kichogo chengera litukulia abasubati abwigoro.
This theme amplifies the barriers that women face and the importance of inclusivity to achieve economic development and social change. It also highlights the inequalities facing women and girls, as well as vulnerable groups as a result of climate change. But it also brings to the fore the role of women and girls as powerful change agents because of their resilience, their courage, and the influential roles they play in their homes, their communities, our country, and the world. I thank the Ministry of Public Service, Gender, Senior Citizens, and Special Programs, together with all their partners represented here, for creating this valuable opportunity to help others find their voice and to celebrate the valuable contribution of the many individuals who have steered forward the journey of empowering our women and girls, individuals who have worked tirelessly to eradicate all forms of violence against women and girls, individuals who have empowered our women and girls as well as entire communities in economic empowerment, because we know the nexus between economic capability and eradication of all forms of violence.
Morai wekiama kia ODM Raila Odinga nigatebete buna ense ya Kenya tereikira ni birengo biganeirie eliogukinia uchumi magega yubogima gokonga imense ito ya Kenya kubwatikana n'ebinyenye bya COVID-19 amo noburai goswabarai abakurumi nigo ababoleti aba Kenya kumusira aseganga ya yo kuligia ekiroge kanene iliacho kwene kya bunemero bulyo bene abekirwe asogokine uchumi yense ya Kenya. Odinga nigaya kuaneta ya abwigoro ase kaunti ya Meru.
Afrika shike hatamu tupigane na adui wetu watatu makubwa. 3 big enemies: ugonjwa, ujinga na umaskini. But 58 years since the independence, those enemies are still there. They're even stronger. Kwa sababu nimesema mpaka tubadilishe mtindo Tukifuata njia ambayo tumefuata mpaka leo, hata miaka 50 zijazo tutakuwa bado tuko hapa. Nchi ambayo ilikuwa ni rika yetu kimaendeleo, South Korea and Kenya were at the same level of development in 1963. South Korea, in terms of GDP, was equal to Kenya. In terms of per capita income, the same. In terms of literacy, the same. In terms of population, the same. In terms of level of industrialization, the same. In agricultural production, the same. South Korea and Kenya. Rika ya Kenya kabisa. Miaka 58 baadaye, uchumi wa South Korea ni mara 45 kubwa kushinda ya Kenya.
Mwanju murigereria gwikira bono ngoiko mweli wemesa ya mangana Amayia Chinsa Ikomi kurinde no chikumirana no yominto Vincent Onyancha ensemo ya bono botuko achigo kumanyayo amo na yanda mange biamono kwaira chinga kichao nebiro kurigereria Ndizi TV nero bwansu bomugusi kwa kangambia mono gochase producer ne omusai Jmo na inche na koretera mangana ya senchira yo bwenge ni konkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omugusi.